Welcome back to the 30-day meditation challenge. Today is day 13. We're going to get right into a guided meditation. If you're not already sitting comfortably someplace, go ahead and pause the video and find some place to sit down. And I'm going to guide you through a brief meditation. So we're going to begin by checking in with our bodies. Bring your awareness to yourself. Drag your mind to where your body is right now. A good way to bring your awareness into the here and now and to direct your own attention to self is to begin paying attention to your breathing. And as I've said many times, we're just experimenting here. So this is a good time for you to experiment with this part. What works for you? What helps you check into the moment? And when you do drag your mind to where your body is, what works? Just allowing your breath to regulate and breathe normally? Or is it helpful if you take a few deep, slow breaths and focus on those breaths? As we move forward into this guided meditation, pay attention to that. Really notice, see what feels best, what helps you to release tension and relax. Because as we move through these 30 days, I'm trying to help you design a meditation practice that will work for you. And what will help you design your own meditation technique and your own practice will be if you pay attention to what works, what doesn't work, what you enjoy, and what you don't enjoy. So be sure to make some mental notes as we move through these meditations. And here we go. Awareness in the moment and awareness on self. Breathing, noticing, observing. Right here, right now. We're going to check in on 3 hot spots in the body where we tend to hold tension. And then we'll enjoy a few minutes of quiet meditation. And during that time, we just breathe, relax, observe what's going on in our mind. There may be a lot of thoughts. Your to-do list might kick in. Your brain might want you to worry about something. Your body might get fidgety. Your mind might wander, get distracted. These are all very typical things. It doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong, but developing your meditation practice will mean breathing through and sitting through those things. So let's first focus on our face. We're just going to notice what's going on here. And if we notice any tension, we're holding any tension, let's just try and let that tension go, at least for these few minutes. Make sure there's space between your teeth. Relax your mouth. Relax your eyes and your forehead. Just breathe and relax. And check in with your shoulders. If it feels good, you can squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears and then release some tension, or even pull your shoulders up and then squeeze them back and then let them ease down. Might feel good to roll your head around a little bit here. So take a moment to do that. We're just allowing ourselves to release any unnecessary tension we might be holding on to. And now drop your awareness down to your belly, your midsection. Notice if you're holding any tension around your belly. Around the middle of your back or your lower back. And if it feels good, you could take a nice breath here. Breathe so deeply that your belly expands. And then as you exhale, just try and release this midsection. And now we'll enjoy a few minutes of quiet together. Hang in there, just keep breathing. Try not to connect with any busy thoughts too much. If you notice you're thinking a lot, just mentally say, wow, thinking a lot. See if you can let those thoughts pass right on through. And go back to observing your breath. Reminding yourself gently to continue bringing your mind back to where your body is. In a few minutes, you'll hear my voice again, and I'll bring us out of this meditation. In a moment, I will count to 3. And when I say 3, open your eyes, feeling nice and relaxed. Take your time here. When I say open your eyes, if you're not quite ready, that's okay. Stay in the meditation as long as you'd like. If you're ready to wrap it up, then 1, preparing to open your eyes. 2, sort of bringing your attention back into the room and your surroundings. 3, go ahead and open your eyes and take a moment here. Take as long as you'd like. How did that one go? How do you feel? I think it's great that you showed up. You showed up for yourself. And you should pat yourself on the back. Thanks for being here with me. Come on back tomorrow, and I'll see you then.